Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video series. Today we're going to be jumping into another topic on how to manually register devices with Windows Autopilot. So we are going to be doing it in two ways. The first thing you might want to do is, you can navigate to this Microsoft document and actually take a look on what is needed, Windows 11, Windows 10. In case of the Windows holographic, the version 2004. So, what happened here is some of the prerequisites. Then we need to have an Intune subscription for the user that we're going to be using. So I have my user already, and we're going to have Windows automatic enrollment enabled. How do we get there? If you wanted to know, just right click on the documents, you go to Active Directory. Let's navigate to that here. So it says go to Active Directory, go to MDM. Let's see if that is true. There you go. And make sure you have Microsoft Intune right here. This is set to all. So that's what is needed to have it all. That means all users can automatically enroll their devices or Windows 10 devices, so which is what we wanted to see. So let me just exit out of this place. We make sure that we have the Intune subscription. I do have that for my user, and also we have the Azure Active Directory Premium subscription, which I already have. So let's go back to our documentation. What we need to do is to collect the hardware hash. So if we're using the Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, you have to follow these. If you're going to be using Windows PowerShell, which is what we're going to be using in this tutorial. So we're going to do it two ways. So either we install it this way, or we actually do it during the out-of-box experience. I already have Windows 10 machine right here. So what I will do is that I'll copy this, come over here, and put it like in a notepad. It's not copied. Let's do it again. Copy. Nice. There we go. So while we are doing that, I will also show you the out-of-box experience really quick. So it's not going to take a long time. So you can actually test this out in your environment. So I will call it Windows 10 02. So let's do it really quick. I'm good with the settings. Just really quick, Windows 10. Alright, so that's all we need to do. So connect to the device and alright, let's have that running on my Hyper-V machine. Let's go back to our real machine that we already set up. So let's give it a go right here. So we're going to launch PowerShell as an admin, and we're going to get this guy going. So that's done. I'm going to set a location. Sorry about that noise. That's gone. We do that. Good. Awesome. We're going to click on yes. Now we're going to install the scripts, and we're just going to wait a little bit. So while we are waiting, okay, ask us to do yes. Alright, while we are waiting, I'm going to check on the other machine. This is really quick, so we don't need to worry about that. Alright, so Well, let's leave it over here and go back to a machine. Looks like we have a lot to do here. So let's quickly get this over again. Okay, it's really quick. Let's leave it here. And these are in the machine. Alright, so we're going to go to the output and get this out. Apologies, I'm actually in an open space. Alright. So that is done. That's very quick. So we're going to navigate to, let's go for it, where we have the installation. Okay, this is the file that is needed. So we're going to copy this file. We're going to go back to where we have a PC. We're going to paste it here. So I'll go over here, go over to my endpoint manager admin center. So I will go over here, go to devices. Now let's say, okay, I think I'm in the wrong place. Okay, so I'm going to import device. I'm going to browse to desktop. All right. So right now that device is actually getting in to intune. So we're just going to wait. So while we are waiting, let's check on our other device. So there we go. Okay. Let's wait a little bit and for this to actually upload to intune, and I'll be right back. So why? Okay, wow, this is kind of fast. So you see the difference between these two options is that with these we just get that device information and upload it manually. So let me show you how this, which is the out-of-box experience, is going to work. So we're going to push it back here as we have it. Then we push Shift F10. And then we have, I'm going to roll out Notepad, paste that in here. And where do I get this information? It's right here on the site. So I'll go back to my machine, just copy it one by one. Pretty quick. So what I'm doing here, I'm showing you the both sides of the way to manually register your device with Windows Autopilot. So you can actually do it during the out-of-box experience, or you can actually do it when you already have a device that is that you already finished the installation. So right now we put this on, and this is going to ask us for admin login, because we have to log into the admin center. I mean, using the admin credentials in order to have the hash uploaded directly to endpoint management or admin center. So, see, it's not that complicated. You can actually test it on your lab also and let me know how it goes. So what happened here is that, okay, I have to do my authentication. Okay, done. So let me show you what is going on. Now we have the first one imported, so the second one it's on the way. If I refresh right now, you can see we have 3 of these devices, so we should have like let me just refresh it here. So we already have 4. So which is the VMware machine, this Windows 10 machine? That is what we have. If we look at this, we'll be able to see this 1619. If we go back and just expand this 1619, so we're good with this one. So we are waiting for these other device to come up, which is the 44, and I can tell you that let's give it some time, like maybe between 3 to 5 minutes. We should start seeing it right here. So while we are waiting, let's go ahead and restart this machine. Oh, maybe not restart it, I'm sorry, we just have to reset it. So 2 things I normally do, I just go ahead and I just go to C and go to Windows and go to System 32, because I just want to wrap this device so that I can have the out-of-box experience. Most of the time maybe it's not needed, but let's see what happens if you just restart it. Because we already have out of the box experience already here. So let's see what happened right here. So because what we really wanted to do here is to have this sync and also make sure that it's being managed by Microsoft Intune. So let's wait for this to finish. Let's go back to the PC. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go. We actually have these up, 44. You got it right here, 44. So we're good. So we just need to make sure that this is assigned. So I'd say not assigned. So it takes a little, maybe 5 to 10 minutes before this can be changed to assign. So we just have to wait a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Patience, Peter. Patience, patience, patience. All right, keep enjoying the music. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to reset this PC, remove everything. Yes, it'll take longer. Let's go back to okay. Let's wait a little bit for these to be assigned. Okay, say assigning. So this is not assigned yet, so we should get like so let me wait a little bit for this. Okay, assigning. Patient, Peter, patience, patience. All right. All right, now that we have our VMware assigned already, so which is really good. So we are waiting. Yeah, might not take a long time to be honest. But let us always remember that this is a lab, so most of the time we will get like an error message. Most of the time we fix things as we go. So if you're actually watching this, to also follow that in your lab, so that will be very good. I'm very glad that you're doing that. And if you have any question, you know, you can just reach out to me and we can sort it out. So let's wait a little bit for this to be assigned and I'll be right back. All right, you see, it actually shows assigning. So it might not take a long time to finish from what I'm saying right here. So let's keep enjoying the music. I'll be right back. All right, so the reason why we are actually waiting for this to show a sign is because we need to have it there so that we can have it run the autopilot profile, and so we can have everything up and running for us. All right. Let's wait a little bit. Our VMware device is actually ready to go. So because we already have the profile assigned, so we are waiting for the Windows out-of-box experience to finish assigning so that we can have that one also. So the idea right here is we are trying these two methods. I've actually demonstrated how to use this one on a regular device that is already that we have OS already installed, and also we are getting this one also up and running. So here you can see they say you prompted to sign in an account from the Intune administrator role is sufficient. So after that, you confirm, then you run the sync. So which is right here. So we go to Windows Enrollment Devices under Windows Autopilot, we do sync. And it said after the device appears in your device list, then an autopilot profile is assigned. So let's go back. This is what you're referring to. Done. You see now that we have the autopilot profile assigned. So what else? It said restarting the device caused the out-of-box experience to run through the Windows Pilot provisioning process, which is okay. On the first run, you are prompted to approve the required app registration permission. So that is how we need right here to manually register our device with Windows Autopilot. I'm going to show you, this is actually going through it. So the one for the out-of-box experience, let me show you how it's going to be, just really quick. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Awesome, see what we have right now. So we can actually go through the autopilot process easily. This is for the out of the box experience. So we're still waiting for our Windows the other one to get up and running. So let me go ahead and fast forward these. Oh, look at that. That is nice. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this video for you so that you don't have to wait. All right, that was so fast. So let's take a look into this device. All right, this is how we know that it's actually being managed by Intune. Nice. So if we go back to our PC, we go back to our device, we see that our device started growing up. We have 3 before, we have 4 right now. Oh, which is good. Well, let's go back to this one. Oh wow, this one is taken. But you get the idea, so that you don't have to wait so long. So that is how we can actually manually register a device. If you wanted to see to the end of this video for this one to finish, I can guarantee you that we're going to have the same results like this one. So if you have any question, please you know how to reach out to me. You can put the comment down in the comment section. I hope you love this video. Please give it a thumb up and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.